Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious on this one, but very, very impressive movement. I mean, when you stop thinking about the fact that price was down here, now all of a sudden it's worked its way all the way up to where it has. So good, solid move, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there just any sort of true power? Is there any sort of genuine strength behind this price movement, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce set move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right down here at the 38-cent mark. Why is 38 cents so important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to 38 and then just break down below there, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out of. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price, and I'm not saying this is what's necessarily going to happen, but at least if the price came down here and bounced back upward, what would you have in this situation? Well, at least here you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that low right there. You'd have those lows at that point. If you envision each of those as stair-steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about. It's all about showing signs of progress. And in this situation, the quote-unquote sign of progress would be down there at that green line. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if this thing is going to get continuation to the upside, next big battleground to watch now moving forward, going to be right up there at the 45-cent mark, so watch that very closely. But all in all, any angle you look at it, great volume today, great price movement. Now it's just simply the question of, can the price start to show signs of progress and demonstrate that this is a legitimately strong breakout? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.